Hello everyone, this is Elantarian. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to enable hand tracking in AR pass-through. Under the OVR camera, there is tracking space under that left hand anchor and right hand anchor. Search for the OVR hand prefab from the project and drag and drop into right hand anchor and left hand anchor. Select the right anchor and change the hand type to right hand so that it will get changed to right hand, and you can remove OVR mesh and mesh renderer and skinned mesh renderer for both the hands, which is not required for now. Uh, let's click on the OVR camera rig and go to inspector, go to quest future and select the controllers and hands for hand tracking support. Now this will enable the hand tracker. Let's create a build now to test. Yeah, it's created. Let's look at the build from the Quest device. It's opening up. Yeah, now you see on my hand, the menu bar is opening up. So this will work only when the hand tracking is enabled. So now our app is hand tracking is enabled in our app.